agad sila ngayon, guys. Happy Sunday! So, dumating sila Friday ng gabi. And uwi na agad sila. Kasi school ang mga bata. So, let's cook breakfast for everyone. May nilabas na kami dong longganisa, hotdog. Tapos mag-egg tayo. Baby! Is it Tito John? It's Tito John. Hey, good morning. You hiding? Oh no! Who's chasing you? Who's your best friend?
TJ.
TJ! Oh. How about Zach?
Zach.
Zach too? How about Holly?
Yes.
Yes.
I
Okay.
am my friend.
Oh, Isla's best friend. Okay.
But it's Friday, Mama.
Oh, maybe she's still sleeping.
Mommy.
Baby,
I will have
what do you want to eat? Do you want cereal while waiting for this?
chocolate cereal.
Chocolate cereal, okay. I'll get that for you, baby. Go sit down there. Give a little cluck, cluck, cluck. So, meron tayong nakalabas na longganisa. Sweet pork longganisa daw to. Air fry ko lang yan. And then hot dogs. And then luto ako ng eggs. And corned beef din. O, diba ang dami? I'm not sure. Masarap sana yung Delimundo, kaya lang wala na. Ito na lang Argentina, corned beef, dalawang maliliit. Ay, ang bango din nito. Aray. Shoot. That's okay. Can it be a boat bed?
No.
Okay. That's right. Ayla, for you it's a bed. For Arlo it's a boat.
A boat.
Is it a boat?
Yes.
Is it a bed?
A boat.
Nagtatalo kung ano yung binibuild nila, boat or bed. Holly, is your mom awake?
Yes, we just took a shower.
Okay. Hello, be nice. The more we get together, the happier we'll be. Guys, no fighting, please. Elise, they're watching you.
It's my dad's bed. No, it's the dad's bed. We're making a bigger bed. It's the dad's bed.
Dito na yung hotdog. Lutuin ko na yung corned beef, guys. Nasa air fryer na din yung longganisa. Tapos after nito, after ng hotdog, dito ko lulutuin yung itlog. Your Disney cruise is finished? Let me see. Oh, wow.
Yeah, bet, Mommy.
I love it, Arlo.
I bet too.
Yeah, that's good.
Oh.
Whose Disney cruise is this? Oh, it's everyone's. That's good. Dinosaur? Where's the dinosaur? Ah,
No, this is a boat dinosaur.
it's a boat dinosaur. A boat Disney cruise dinosaur.
I picture you every day, and I wish it could be less. There's nothing that they can say. I'll act like a fool. 'Cause I never felt how the flowers bloom and then die when you cut them. You're so cruel. Ooh, but I can't accuse you. 'Cause you don't know what real love means. If for you it is dead, can't blame you when it ends. If it's in my head, I wonder what you'd say. I've already taken the car key to see your face at that party.
Kumakain ng mga bata. Nauna na sila.
To remember how all of this began. Maybe I could say I'm sorry. I know that I'm facing something bigger, like I'm chained to die in this river. Drowned in your eyes that sweep me like a tide. I'm yours eternally, I'm yours for life. Maybe I love your tight chains that I can't maintain. I can't stop thinking that it's so premature, that I could see it pure, but it's obscure. This net is not secure. 'Cause you don't know what real love means. The traffic lights are red. Can't blame you when it ends if it's in my bed.
Kain na kami guys kasi tapos na sila. Kami naman. Mga tira-tira.
You want them to know. Then can you pass that plate, please? Polish plate, please.
Polish plate?
Yeah.
You need your
Should
food?
we eat it?
I'm gonna.
Why?
Because it's waste.
They can. Don't worry about it. Keep it away.
That's,
Do you want Alice hot dog? then?
When we eat in the Philippines, in the restaurant, my mom's not gonna order a lot because she knows we're not gonna eat everything.
So she
Yeah.
just says she'll eat the leftovers.
Yeah, the chorizo is better, the small round one.
Pag nakita ko yung damihan ko, lubusan mo yung iba. Masarap talaga yun.
You're looking at Tita Manay.
Lahat ng anak ko naka-Renmark talaga.
Yo, oh my gosh.
Always went to Renmark because of me. This was going to.
Yeah, of course you
Ano, lumaki na sa Renmark.
Yeah. So, she will be the same age as Ayla when we go. 5 months.
What?
Not really.
Bobby? Yeah.
She was October, September man to.
Younger to. Ito medyo ano na siya. Mayroon tayong picture nito nung nagkanta-kanta kayo ni 2018.
Yeah.
Nung nagkanta-kanta kayo ni John.
Ayan. Maiwan mo to. Para buang talaga. Nauna pa yung kakanin.
Ibaba.
Nauna yung kakanin.
Baba, let's go, Baba.
Say bye to Tita Manay. They're going.
Go, I'll see you soon, okay?
Say bye.
Go. Ang ganda naman kahit mo may mga accessories.
Kaya nga. Yan na, uwing-uwi na si John.
Wait, boys.
Help your mom, boys.
I'll get this one, please.
Naglaro pa yung dalawa ay. Yeah, you turn it off ha. I don't know how to turn that off. Uy, ang ganda ng weather. Ang sarap ialis. Alis ako mamaya. Manda kayo sa akin talaga naman. Wala na kayo nakalimutan dun? Okay lang? Ano naman? Dalhin na lang namin kung makalimutan niya. Bye, babe. Thank you. I'll see you soon.
Why did not play? Why not play?
Give Kuya Zach a big high five and big fist bump.
Time for it.
Hug.
No,
Oh.
it's not. I got it not rowing.
Fist bump. Alice, fist bump.
Bye.
Bye, dog.
Bye-bye. Ingat.
Thank you.
Sarah.
Parang yan na yung ano niya din. Kaya yung magsayang yung ganun.
Kaya nga, parang,
Parang siyang yung lasing na walang nainom na.
parang wala pa. Hindi pa ka nakainom. Hangover na.
yan. Parang ano siya.
Hindi pa nga nakainom. Hangover na. Mukha na.
See the face, ha?
He's making the face again.
Let me see your face, Dong. Show me your face, Dong. Look at me.
Arlo. Careful, mate.
Baka dyan
Sus.
yan lang ano.
Careful.
Face! Show me your
Let me see your face.
face! Cute! Parang si Sa. Amata. Ay, dami. Mas marami to kay Sa. Thank you.
Natuwa ko siya. Ang dami daw.
Ang dami, mas marami yun.
Ang dami niyan mag-kiss.
Akala ko si Sa marami.
Hindi. Unlimited kisses to. Many kisses.
Close the door, Ali. Close the door. Push it shut.
Push. Watch your head.
Hard. Watch your fingers, guys. Watch your fingers. Push hard. There you
Yay!
go. Come back here.
Cute.
Ali, come.
Hello, funny face.
Come.
Okay, okay. Funny face. Give funny face to Tito John. Ingat.
Guys,
Take
wave
care.
goodbye. Do the bum dance. Do the bum dance.
Bum dance. Bum dance, alo. Bum dance. Bye. O, diba? Nakabihis na agad. Magic bihis, guys. Magic ready. Alis kami nitong isa. So, kahapon, nagpunta tayo ng mall para bumili nga sana ng regalo. Nabili ko yung regalo para kay Lyra. Pero yung regalo para sa workmate ni Dan, hindi ko nabili, guys. Kasi wala doon yung gusto kong bilhin. So, nagpunta ako ng Mecca TTP. Wala doon yung gusto kong bilhin. Wala silang Charlotte Tilbury. So, punta tayong Burnside. Na, ay, nagabihis na ang aking baby. Oh, turno yarns. Ay, kabiyag. I'll put her in the capsule. She will sleep na. You guys! What are you doing to your daddy?
They're squashing me.
Oh, no!
I want a pancake.
Oh, no! Daddy's a pancake!
Help me.
Oh, Indy! Help Daddy, India!
I'm off now.
Ah, Isla's off. Aw. Thank you, Isla.
What about this guy?
Oh, no! Look at Indy, babe. Look at her outfit.
Orange.
Gorgeous! Oh, it's so gorgeous, girl.
Oh.
So pretty, girl.
That was a big jump.
Is that clean? Alright, let's put you in the capsule and sleep in the capsule. So, kami lang dalawa ni Indy. Tapos yung, ano yan sila. Or do you wanna come in? I'm not really feeling. Yeah.
One leg. One little leg.
No.
I just want to eat it.
No.
Oh, come.
Ayan na nga, sabi ko na nga. Nantok na.
Say goodbye, Mom.
Bye, guys. I'll see you later, okay? Uy. Bye. You gonna go to the playground with Daddy? I love you.
Yeah.
With me?
Yeah. You don't want mama's swim. I don't baby swim. Baby don't want a baby swim.
Baby swing. Okay. Let me know where you are because I might follow you. Depends. Let me know where you are later. So, punta lang tayo, guys. Burnside kasi may Mecca doon and alam kong may Charlotte Tilbury doon. Masyadong mahaba yung lashes ko sa gitna. Tumatama sa aking sanis. And then, tingin-tingin din tayo ng regalo para kay Manay because it's her birthday soon. Our sis is getting old, guys. We'll see. Sana makahanap tayo para hindi ko na kailangan bumalik. Or actually, may isang weekend pa naman ako. So, hopefully, Indy sleeps for a long, long, long time. Ang sarap ng weather. 22 degrees. So, naka-full denim ako today. Denim on denim. Play A Beautiful Blur on Spotify.
Now playing A Beautiful Blur by Lainey on Spotify.
We're here. And nakakuha ako ng pram parking right in front of the elevator. And ang ganda ng pram parking nila dito kasi ang laki. Pakita ko sa inyo sa labas. See? Ang laki ng space. Hindi pa yun yung malaki. Yung sa kabila, yung mas malaki yung space. Kasi nandito si Indy, look. Dito na tayo. Diretso tayo Mecca. Para makuha na natin yung kailangan nating dito. And then tingin-tingin tayo after. Ay, wala masyadong tao. Perfect. I got the present. Tingin-tingin na tayo dito. May seed dun. And then, Zara dito. Zara tayo. Ang ganda-ganda na ng itsura dito, guys. Dito na pala kami sa Zara, guys. Hindi ko na alam kung nasabi ko sa inyo ba. Kakagaling ko lang sa kids section. Balik na naman tayo sa baba. Nanggaling na kaming baba kanina. Nag-try na ako ng mga bagay-bagay. Tapos pumunta ako sa taas para magtingin sana ng para sa akin. Pero may nakita akong para sa mga kids. Ang cute. So ayan, may mga nakuha ako for Ayla and Arlo dyan. Ang cute. Tapos na ako, guys. And tulog siya. Nakahabol pa ako ng sushi at saka sa seed. Ay, ako na talaga. We're here. Galing ng parking ko, ah. Ang lapit lang. Alright, let's go. Habang tulog pa si Indy. Alright, guys. Let's go home. Ako na talaga, guys. Ang bumili ng tube dress sa seed. Saan ko yung susuotin? Sino yung kakasal dyan? Invite niyo ako. May dress na ako para sa kasal niyo. Kaloka. Alam mo yung nagmamadali ka. Tapos sabi ko, ang ganda naman ito. Binayaran ko agad. Kasi sabi ko, magigising na to si Indy. Hala, after kong binayaran, hala, saan ko to susuot? Visit. Ano ba yan? Kaloka. Yung importante, nabili natin yung regalo ni Dan para sa kanyang workmate. Ex-workmate. Ang hindi ko lang nabili is yung kay Manay. Kasi nag-ano lang talaga ako, Mecca, and then Zara. And kapag napunta ako ng Zara, guys, ang tagal-tagal ko dun lagi. So dun ako sobrang, ang tagal ko dun. Tapos umiyak na si Indy nung patapos na ako sa Zara. So sabi ko, uwi na ako. Magbabayad lang ako, tapos uwi na ako. Ay, nung nagbayad ako, guys, natulog man siya ulit. Sabi ko, natulog siya. Saglit lang ako sa seed. Sumaglit ako sa seed, mga nakita man akong gustong itry. So, tinry ko naman sila. And iwan ko kung bakit kinuha ko yung tube dress. Tinry ko yung tube dress. Ay, ang ganda naman ito. Kasya-kasya sa akin. Binili ko. Ngayon binili ko, isip ko, saan ko ito susuotin na? Ako na talaga ang may tube dress. Anyway, we're heading home. Si Dan at saka ang kids nandun sa Macas. Pinunta niya sa playground ang mga bata. Oh my gosh, Indy's really good. Natulog lang talaga siya the whole time. As in the whole time. So good for mommy, not good for mommy's wallet. Pero marami akong mga nabili para sa kay Ayla at saka kay Arlo. Kailangan ko kasing i-declutter na naman yung kanilang mga damit, guys, na pangmalamig. Kasi maliliit na yung iba. So may mga set ako dyan na pangmalamig na nabili for Ayla. Maya ulit ha. Kinig lang ako music, guys. Let's do a quick haul habang tulog pa din si Indy, guys. My gosh, mga ano na yan. Papuntang 5 oras na siya. Hindi tulog. Papuntang 5 oras na since her last feed. So ito yung mga 3 shops na pinuntahan ko and meron akong nabili sa 3 talaga. Pinaka-importante is yung regalo nga. So yung binili ko for her, hindi ko na lang siya i-unwrap. Charlotte Tilbury na makeup setting spray at saka yung Pillow Talk, medium Pillow Talk lipstick. Yung binili ko para sa kanya. And then, I have this one. Mecca Beauty Look. Kasi siguro naka-reach na ako ng something amount sa Mecca account ko. Level 1. Level 1 pa lang ako guys. Hindi ako ganun ka ma-shopping kasi sa Mecca. Usually yung mga binibili ko doon is mga pangregalo. Mostly. So yung laman ng level 1 is ano to? Mecca Max na Glaze Face Lip Oil. Dami na nating lip oil guys. Mga sample. Sol de Janeiro na sample body butter. That's perfect for when you travel. And then ito, yun lang. Cosmic Power. Oh, Charlotte Tilbury na perfume. Yun lang. Ang laman ng kanilang beauty loop. Baka ilagay ko dyan sa regalo yung iba dyan. And then sa seed, ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na kapag may ikakasal dyan, invite niyo ako guys. Ito na susutin ko sa kasal niyo. Tinry ko siya and kasyang-kasya siya sa akin. Nakasale din siya. My goodness, ako na talaga. From 230, 150. 150 na lang siya guys. Pero, ang ganda niya. Kasyang-kasya yung length. Anyway, itry ko yan ng maraming beses hanggang sa magbago ang aking isip para ma-return ko siya. Ewan ko ba? Nagmamadali kasi ako kanina. Tapos parang, ewan ko, clouded ang aking utak. Itong sa Zara naman, medyo marami din akong kinuha for myself. But, hindi ko na lang ipapakita sa inyo guys yung mga para sa akin. Kasi itatry ko ulit. Pakapakita ko sa inyo yung mga binili ko para sa mga kids. So, ito for Arlo. It's a size 6, size 5. But gusto ko kasi sa kanila yung oversized na look. Like, I have been decluttering a lot of clothes na size nila. Like, size 4 for Ayla, size 2 for Arlo. Diniclutter ko kasi medyo tight fitting. So, gusto ko sa kanila yung mga loose fit. Yeah, 50% off siya. From 44 down to 22. That's for Arlo. And this one naka-sale din. For Arlo din. $10 na lang siya. 50% off din siya. Oh, pwede na to pang next year ni Arlo. Lagay ko to sa mga malaki pa na pile. This is size 4 naman. Ito is perfect na for this coming, malamig na season. This is size 3 and kasyang-kasya na to kay Arlo. 50% off din. $20 na lang from 40. And ito for Ayla din. For this coming malamig season. So, this is size 6 naman. Para oversized na look. 44% off. So, from 32 down to 18, 46% off naman siya. So, from 22 down to 12. Ayan. Pang Ayla yan. O, diba? Ipasok ko dito yung mga hindi ko gagamitin. Like, yung lip oil. Ito. Oh, that's the heaviest pillow. Oh, Arlo is strong, boy. You got a big one, Arlo. That's okay. Carry 2 small ones.
But I'm not having it. I'm not cleaning up anymore.
You're not cleaning up anymore. Well done, Arlo. Good helping, Arlo. Oh, strong boy. So, Ate's not helping now. Arlo's doing all the work. Go, Arlo. Get all the blocks. Good boy. Good helping, Arlo. Mukha mo, boy, oy.
That's not how you do it.
Oh, yeah. Okay, so Arlo, carry it and you fix it there, okay? We're helping each other. Oh! There you go. You fix it and Arlo carries it. See, why does Arlo just put it on the floor? Silly Arlo. Arlo, put it on the couch. He's just putting it on the floor, Ate, piling it up. Silly Arlo. Now, who's gonna carry all these pillows? These look really heavy to me. Who's gonna carry it to the couch? Oh my gosh! Oh my good. Oh, I think you are the strongest girl here. 2 pillows? Oh, girl. Oh, thank you, girl. Oh, strong.
One plane.
Good job, guys.
2 pillows and then 1 block.
Oh, really? Good job, Alo! Oh! Maybe on top of each other. Good
I
job!
can't carry this many.
Oh, wow, you're carrying 3. Ayla, very strong, girl. Thank you, Alo. Here you go. We have all the blocks now. Put it away. Thank you, mate. Oh, so good, guys. Well done. All right, Ayla, almost done. Put the pillows and the blanket on. Yeah, on the couch. Are you watching? Yeah, you're watching? That's how you clean up, okay? Yeah, you will be cleaning up too. Yes, you will be cleaning up. Don't you worry, girl. You will clean up. Yeah. Yes. There's gonna be 3 of you cleaning up.
What about me?
Oh, you are so good, Alo. You are doing such a good job helping.
You want me to do a magic?
Magic trick?
I show you.
What magic trick is that?
It's a safe one.
No.
What's this?
Okay. She loves it. Uy, careful. Gentle, huh?
It has to be a little gentle.
Yeah. Well done. Okay. Oops. Alright, guys. Come on. Come on. Finish up so we can take a shower. Oh, I love your car.
I think I start my car.
You can take your car in the shower, yes.
You're
welcome. Can you just put away the blanket, please? Ayla, can you finish putting away stuff? And then we can choose a toy to take to the shower. Hello? Can you show me how strong you are and bring the blocks to the side, please? Go, Alo. Oh, very strong. Oh, wow. Right there. Very good, Alo. Last one. Thank you, Alo. All right, put that away, ate. And we're done. We're done, guys. Well done. Not yet? Do we still have toys in the other lounge? Okay, well, we have to put it away, guys. Come on. Who made a mess? Did you make a mess? Okay, mommy clean up. Alo, who made a mess, Alo? Indy did. Indy did make a mess. Silly Billy. Are you a silly Billy girl? Take a shower. Yeah, we'll take a shower, okay? Girl, bakit naman ganito, girl? Tayo naman lahat naligo, pero bakit parang ang fresh ng mukha mo, girl? Hey, unfair naman yan, girl. After niya maligo, natulog siya, guys. Tapos nagising na siya. Na? Nagising na siya. It was a quick nap. What is that, Alo?
A toy.
Mag-snack kami, guys.
It's a
Hindi ako
toy.
nag-dinner kasi bumili ako ng sushi kanina. Tapos kinain ko siya mga alas 3. Tapos hindi na ako nagutom. So, hindi ako kumain ng dinner kasi hindi pa ako gutom. Ngayon, gutom na ako. Oh my gosh. Kainin ko kaya yung... kainin ko kaya yung beef tapa. So, nag-order ako nito kay Manay for Auntie Anne's. Because Auntie Anne's wears contacts. So, ipatry natin sa kanya. Sana magustuhan niya. At saka yung...
What is contact?
Contact lens.
What's contact, mommy?
Contact lens, guys, is a... Huh?
See.
Yeah, to help you see. Oh my gosh, Ayla, very smart.
What's the mom?
So you can see. Some people cannot see properly. So they have to use a contact lens. It looks like this. And they put it on their eye.
Does it hurt?
It doesn't hurt. Mommy used to wear it.
Can you show me the phone? What is it?
I can show you in the phone, but I was wearing clear ones. Sometimes I wore colored ones. I wore glasses too, baby. I did. And then when you came, you like picking my glasses. You like grabbing my glasses. When you were a baby like Indy, you were grabbing my glasses. You were so funny, Isla. So I had a surgery to fix my eyes. And I don't wear glasses anymore. And no contacts anymore for Mama.
Why don't wear them now?
I don't need it. I can see now. I can see
Mom,
better
what
now.
I can do?
Oh my gosh.
I can do this, Mom.
Hmm?
See, I jab everyone.
You did, John. Kainin ko na lang to. In-order ko din to sa Holy Mom Style, guys. Nagla-live selling pa din si Manay hanggang ngayon. And nagbebenta siya ng mga ganito. So kung naghahanap kayo ng ganito, meron siya iba-ibang klase. Like, for daily use, for contacts, at saka meron pa yung Z. Meron siya nun, guys. So, tas mura lang sa kanya. Kasi chinek ko siya online. And then ito, ang sarap-sarap nito. Ay, lagay ko muna si Indy. Sana malapag ko si Indy para makakain ako ng ayos. May rice pa ako natira kanina eh. Kumakain na ako, guys. Meron kasi tayong background noise because the kids are performing. But malapit na maubos. Ang sarap. Minicrowave ko lang.